In today's fast-paced startup world, effective communication is the backbone of productivity and innovation. Team chat software isn't just about sending messages. It's about building a culture of collaboration, transparency, and quick decision-making. The right tool can help your team stay connected, share ideas instantly, and solve problems together, no matter where everyone is working from. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist to help you choose the best team chat software for your startup. Let's start by understanding why this decision is so crucial for your company's growth and success. Before diving into the sea of chat apps, take a moment to assess your team's unique needs. How large is your team? Are you working remotely, in-office, or a mix of both? Do you need integrations with other tools like project management or file sharing? Understanding your workflow and communication challenges will help you filter out options that don't fit. This step ensures you're not just following trends, but picking a solution tailored to your startup's actual requirements. Budget is always a key consideration for startups. Some chat tools offer free plans with limited features, while others require a subscription for full access. Decide how much you're willing to invest in communication tools. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Consider the value you'll get for your money. Factor in potential growth, as costs may increase as your team expands. Setting a clear budget early on will help you narrow down your choices efficiently. Every startup has its own set of must-have features. Do you need video calls, file sharing, or searchable message history? Make a checklist of essential features your team can't live without. This list will serve as your guide when comparing different chat apps. Prioritizing features ensures you don't get distracted by flashy extras and focus on what truly matters for your workflow. A great chat app should play nicely with your other tools. Think about the software your team already uses, like project management, cloud storage, or CRM platforms. Check if the chat app integrates seamlessly with these tools. Good integrations can automate workflows, reduce manual work, and keep all your information in one place, making your team more efficient. User experience can make or break your team's adoption of a new chat tool. Is the interface intuitive and easy to navigate? Can new team members get up to speed quickly? A complicated or clunky app can slow down communication and frustrate your team. Look for solutions with clean designs, helpful onboarding, and responsive support. A positive user experience ensures your team actually uses the tool to its full potential. Security is non-negotiable, especially when sensitive business information is involved. Review the security features of each chat app. Does it offer end-to-end encryption? Are there options for two-factor authentication? Make sure the software complies with industry standards and regulations. Protecting your data is crucial for your startup's reputation and peace of mind. Your team may not always be at their desks. That's why it's important to choose a chat app that works seamlessly across devices. Check if the software offers both mobile and desktop versions, and whether notifications sync properly. This flexibility ensures your team can stay connected and responsive, whether they're in the office, at home, or on the go. Every startup has its own culture and workflow. Customization options, like custom channels, notification settings, and branding can help the chat app fit your team's unique style. Explore whether you can tailor the tool to match your processes and preferences. The more adaptable the software, the better it will serve your evolving needs. Startups grow fast, and your chat software should keep up. Evaluate how well each tool scales as your team expands. Can you add more users easily? Are there limits on message, history, or storage? Choosing a scalable solution now will save you the headache of switching platforms later as your business grows. Notifications can boost productivity or become a source of distraction. Look for chat apps that offer granular notification controls, like muting channels, setting do not disturb times, or customizing alerts. This flexibility helps your team stay focused and avoid notification overload, especially during deep work sessions. As conversations pile up, finding important information quickly becomes essential. A robust search function allows your team to retrieve messages, files, or links without wasting time scrolling. Check if the chat app supports advanced search filters, message pinning, or keyword highlights. Efficient search saves time and keeps your team organized. File sharing is a core feature for most teams. Evaluate how each chat app handles file uploads, storage limits, and file organization. Can you share documents, images, or videos easily? Are there integrations with cloud storage services? Smooth file sharing keeps your team's workflow seamless and efficient. Sometimes, text isn't enough. Video and voice calls are essential for brainstorming, quick check-ins, or remote meetings. Review whether the chat app supports high-quality calls, group meetings, and screen sharing. Reliable call features can make remote collaboration feel more personal and effective. Modern chat apps often include built-in collaboration tools like polls, task lists, or shared calendars. These features can streamline decision-making and keep everyone on the same page. Explore what collaboration tools are available and how they can enhance your team's productivity. Strong admin controls help you manage your team and maintain order. Look for features like user roles, permissions, and moderation tools. These controls allow you to set boundaries, protect sensitive channels, and ensure everyone uses the chat app responsibly. Startups often collaborate with freelancers, advisors, or clients. Guest access allows you to bring external partners into specific channels without exposing all your internal conversations. Check if the chat app supports secure guest access and how easy it is to manage external users. Reliable customer support and clear documentation can save you time and frustration. Check if the chat app offers responsive support channels, detailed help, articles, or community forums. Good support ensures you can resolve issues quickly and keep your team running smoothly. A chat app is only as good as its uptime and speed. Test how the software performs under different network conditions and with multiple users. Look for reports on outages or slowdowns. Reliable performance ensures your team can communicate without interruptions, even during busy times. Your team's conversations and files are valuable assets. Make sure the chat app allows you to export data and create backups easily. This is important for compliance, audits, or if you ever need to switch platforms. Data export features give you control over your information. Depending on your industry, you may need to comply with specific regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. Check if the chat app meets these standards and offers compliance documentation. This step is crucial for startups in healthcare, finance, or other regulated sectors. If your team is global or plans to expand internationally, consider chat apps that support multiple languages and time zones. This ensures everyone can communicate comfortably and reduces misunderstandings. Internationalization features help your startup scale across borders. Automation can save your team time and reduce repetitive tasks. Some chat apps offer bots, workflow automation, or integrations with automation platforms. Explore what automation features are available and how they can streamline your team's daily routines. If your startup has unique needs, API access allows you to build custom integrations or features. Check if the chat app offers a well-documented API and how easy it is to use. API access gives your team the flexibility to extend the tool as your business evolves. Some startups want their chat app to reflect their brand. Check if the software allows you to customize logos, colors, or even white label the interface. Branding features can help you create a consistent experience for your team and external partners. A smooth onboarding process helps your team adopt the new chat app quickly. Check if the software offers tutorials, training resources, or guided setup. Good onboarding reduces resistance to change and ensures everyone can start collaborating right away. Accessibility ensures everyone on your team can use the chat app, regardless of ability. Look for features like screen reader support, keyboard navigation, and adjustable text sizes. Inclusive design helps all team members participate fully in conversations. A chat app that's regularly updated is more likely to stay secure and add useful features. Check how often the software releases updates and how responsive the team is to feedback. Frequent updates show the company is committed to improving the product. If you're switching from another chat app, migration tools can make the transition smoother. Look for features that help you import old messages, contacts, and files. Good migration support reduces downtime and preserves your team's history. Before rolling out a new chat app to your entire team, test it with a small pilot group. Gather feedback on usability, features, and any issues. This trial run helps you catch problems early and make adjustments before a full launch. After your pilot test, collect feedback from participants. Ask about their experience, what they liked, and what could be improved. Team input is invaluable for making the right choice and ensuring buy-in from everyone. With all your research and feedback in hand, compare your top chat app options side by side. Use your checklist of must-have features, budget, and team preferences to evaluate each one. This comparison will help you make an informed, objective decision. Once you've chosen your preferred chat app, reach out to the vendor to discuss pricing and contract terms. Startups may be eligible for discounts or special plans. Negotiating can help you get the best value and terms for your business. A smooth rollout ensures everyone transitions to the new chat app without confusion. Plan your rollout by setting a launch date, preparing training materials, and communicating the change to your team. A well-organized launch minimizes disruption and sets your team up for success. After launch, monitor how your team is using the new chat app. Track adoption rates, usage patterns, and any issues that arise. This ongoing monitoring helps you address problems quickly and ensure the tool is delivering value. As your team gets used to the new chat app, provide ongoing training and resources, share tips, best practices, and updates on new features. Continuous learning helps everyone get the most out of the tool and adapt to changes. Encourage your team to share feedback regularly, even after the rollout. Use this input to make adjustments, improve workflows, or explore new features. An iterative approach ensures your chat app continues to meet your startup's evolving needs. After a few months, measure how the new chat app has impacted your team's productivity. Look for improvements in communication speed, project turnaround, and overall satisfaction. These metrics will help you assess whether you made the right choice and identify areas for further improvement. The world of team chat software is always evolving. Stay informed about new tools, features, and best practices by following industry news and updates. Being proactive ensures your startup always has access to the best communication solutions available. As your startup grows, your communication needs will change. Regularly review your chat app's performance and scalability. Be ready to upgrade features, add integrations, or even switch platforms if necessary. Planning for growth ensures your team stays connected at every stage. Keep a record of your selection process, feedback, and decisions. Documentation helps you learn from the experience and makes future tool evaluations easier. It also provides transparency for your team and stakeholders. Launching a new chat app is a milestone for your startup. Take a moment to celebrate with your team, whether it's a virtual high five or a small event. Recognizing achievements boosts morale and reinforces your culture of collaboration. After the rollout, share lessons learned with your team and other startups. Discuss what worked, what didn't, and tips for future software selections. Sharing knowledge helps others and builds a stronger startup community. Choosing team chat software isn't a one-time task. Keep evaluating your needs, exploring new features, and listening to your team. Continuous improvement ensures your communication tools always support your startup's goals and growth. Let's recap the step-by-step checklist for choosing team chat software for startups. Start by assessing your needs and budget, then evaluate features, integrations, and security. Test with a pilot group, gather feedback, and plan a smooth rollout. Remember, the right chat app can transform your team's communication and productivity. Stay proactive, keep improving, and your startup will be set for success. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.